Do you want to know how to find out whether your potential Scrum Master candidate has the chops to do the job? In this video, I'll give you a couple of tips. So if you're a recruiter, somebody in HR, or somebody who is not a Scrum Master or product owner, how do you find out whether your potential candidate, Scrum Master, product owner, can actually give you what they want? Now, it's a dividing point, but certifications can give you some evidence that they've done some work. Now, there's a whole lot of certifying bodies out there. The ones with credibility in the Scrum world are the Scrum Alliance and Scrum.org. Now, I'm biased. I'm a Scrum.org trainer, so I like the Scrum.org trainings. You can also validate via their email address whether they actually do have the certification. Now, health warning, you'll see it all over LinkedIn. If you've got a PSM1 or a PSPO1, what that shows is you have a foundational understanding of how to use the Scrum framework. It doesn't mean you've got any experience, but at least you know the words and you get how the framework's meant to work. All right, cool. So you can tick the box and they've read the Scrum Guide. Maybe that's not a bad opening question. Have you read the Scrum Guide? What's your summary of it? What's the differences between this Scrum Guide and the last one? Interesting question. Can they actually respond to that? Right? If they can't respond to that, they probably haven't read too much or gone too deeply. The next thing to think about is beyond Scrum. Have they read the Kanban guide? Are they even aware that there's two schools of Kanban? You have the Kanban University and you have professional Kanban. What's the difference? Why? Discuss. Really what you're looking for is an attitude of curiosity with positive intent. So when you're having that discussion, you're trying to tap into that experience and understanding. You're trying to determine whether that person has the capacity to work with your teams, your leadership, and act as a change agent in your or your client's organization. So how do you do that? Scenarios. Present a challenge. Present something that would require some human empathy and some problem solving. And you're trying to look at the variety of things that you're looking for within a Scrum Master. Do they understand the process? Do they understand the mechanics? How deeply founded are they in Scrum values, and can they use those Scrum values to negotiate and navigate potentially tricky situations? How good are they at conflict resolution in a safe and controlled way? Can they facilitate events? This is the recruiter's challenge, and HR, it's a really invidious position because many times you're looking to engage an expert in an area that you're not expert at. The simple solution is to get somebody from your organization who is the expert into the series. So typically having some sort of sifting process where you're trying to sort out those folks who just haven't done anything. Like if they don't have a foundational level of understanding at any way, shape, or form, they're gone. Then you want to have a discussion with them just to see whether they fit your company profile, whether they're a good personality match. Standard employment screening stuff, are they trustworthy? Do they need any security clearance checks? Do they have the permit to work? Then you're looking for the deeper experience stuff. Now, I'm probably preaching to the choir here if you've done any recruitment, but having a seriously experienced Scrum Master or product owner with you to conduct that deeper interview can really help. But what if you don't have that capacity or that experience? And this is where looking for things like, there's a website, Scrum Match, and they do that work for you. And so they have that discussion and interview Scrum Masters and product owners to pre-qualify them and find out how far they are on the skill and experience curve. The challenge that you have when you're looking for these people is trying to balance how much time you spend looking for people to make sure that they have got the capability of delivering the maximum value for your client. Let me know what I've missed. Let me know what you think I should add to that. What's your approach for finding really good Agilists? Thanks.